Goodness can be found in encouraging greatness at the Junior Runners Academy in Soweto. Pick and Pay, always there for you.
Welcome back. This is your Feel Good Breakfast Show Expresso on SABC3. Now, today we're talking about watches that tell time deliciously. We're talking bracelets bedazzled with chewy charms and necklaces that sparkle sweetly. That's exactly what Sam Scarborough from Kids Decor and her friends Ella and Georgia have come to show us this morning. How are you guys? You're doing well, you're doing well.
Yes.
Excellent stuff. So this is all inspired around the idea, obviously it's springtime, so we're talking lots of colourful things, lots of nice treats, but also something that you guys are involved in quite a lot, Kids Market Days, right?
Kids Market Days, yes. Kids Market Days is about encouraging kids to make and sell the things that they make and to get creative and to become little entrepreneurs, isn't it, girls?
Because I was, whenever we had a kids market day at school, I always wondered what to sell. You know, there was the usual hot chocolate with marshmallows and cookies that you bake at home, but this is a great idea. So what inspired this?
Well, I'm always looking for different things for the kids to do and things that are fun, and obviously working with sweets. We did eat quite a few of them, didn't we, girls? It's a lot of fun. So we've made some wonderful jewellery, edible jewellery.
Edible jewellery. Okay,
There we
cool.
go. And we've even got some little clips.
For your hair?
Yes.
Wow, that should be a rather
And
sticky situation.
a fantastic bracelet for you, an
Look
all
at-
sorts bracelet. And then we've got the healthy alternative, which is the popcorn necklace.
Yeah?
And you can also do these with these little healthy fruit squares. So
Look at this. Huh?
we've got lots of options today.
It's so on trend, so traditional almost, huh?
Almost.
Look at that. Okay, so what would you need to do this kind of thing? You know, take us through the array of sweets that you have.
Well, obviously a lot of sweets. Soft sweets are better, easier for the kids to work with. If the sweeties are much harder, then I've used a toothpick just to put a little hole in them, just to prepare for the kids. And then we've got some jellies over here as well. And then I've made popcorn and the fruit squares, which are quite easy to thread. I'm also using some elastic and then a needle for the girls to thread with. Ella doesn't need a needle because these have little
using
holes.
big holes in them.
Yeah.
And okay, shall I try my hand at something as well?
Here you go.
Okay, so here we
You
are.
make a healthier alternative.
I'm gonna make. Let's see. What is this gonna be for a bracelet? Because we're using some elastic-like
there you
material.
go.
All right, and then we're going to be threading these through. And the cool thing is that there are different kinds of sweets out there. There are healthier ones.
Yes.
So you can always mix and,
then
match.
they're very yummy ones.
Very yummy and
These are
healthy
quite
ones.
hard, so I would use the toothpick first.
Okay. And girls, what are your favorite sweets to use in this kind of thing?
Licorice also.
Licorice. Those are always good. Okay, I'm having a bit of a mission here. Can't even get my little. There we go. There we go. That goes through there.
Well, you
Beautiful
can also
stuff.
mix and match. Here's a lovely necklace Georgie made last night with all sorts of different things on it.
Look at that. Now, obviously, you wouldn't advise kids to be wearing this around school all day because it could be rather sticky.
Maybe not
Eat
with their
them
school
quickly.
uniform.
So you buy them at break, eat them at break. Now, what else could one use instead of sweets? I mean, if you're talking about nice treats that you could use for accessories that you could eat.
I'm not sure really. Usually we do a lot of handcrafted things for our Kids Market Day. Ella actually runs a store which is a bow and arrow store, don't you?
Yes.
And they do very well out of that. Georgie sometimes has games or toffee apples or bags of popcorns, whatever that they have made and they have been involved in the creative process goes.
Oh, cool.
Nothing bought, everything has to be handmade and handcrafted.
Yes. I can definitely imagine a toffee apple necklace or headpiece, you know,
I
just
think
kind of
that
like...
might be a little sticky.
Hey, come on, it's entrepreneurs. You got to think outside the box here. We're dealing with popcorns. I mean, imagine going to watch a movie with a popcorn necklace. That would be so convenient.
Very
'Cause,
convenient.
You know, you don't have to reach into a box in the dark and then into somebody else's box and like, oh, get off my box, get
Well,
off
here
my
you
box.
go, why don't you wear
You
that?
know? You know what
There
this
you
would be
are.
great for? If you had a Hawaii-themed party.
There you are.
And then people come to your island of Hawaii, and then you have her popcorn. Look at that. Aruba, Jamaica, and then you have these necklaces. Ooh, and then it's, you know, that kind of
We'll
thing.
have to give Liesel the clip to wear because I'm not sure if that will work for
Oh
you.
yeah. I would definitely try that, but my hair's not long enough.
How
yet.
you doing, girls? Have you almost finished yours?
Are you done?
Okay, did you tie a little bow there? Look at that, Ella. That is beautiful. Can you fit it on your arm?
It's too small.
There we
There we
go.
go. Very nice.
There we go. Okay, yeah, I can loosen it a bit for you. And Georgie, how are you doing?
Good.
I'm trying to think of what you could do with something that bounces like this. I mean, if you had
Is
a...
yours almost finished, love?
I'm mesmerized. I mean, Halloween themed parties, you could do something with
We've
this,
done
right?
all of those themes. We're just trying to figure out a theme for Georgie now. We did Halloween 2 years ago, didn't we, Georgie? There we
Okay,
go.
I'm struggling with this one. So you want to be careful as well when you're working with hard sweets because, you know, they could kind of cause some kind of injury.
Yes.
But yeah, friends at home, if you have any other
There you
bright
go.
ideas, you know,
Let's
I'm
have a
just
look.
going to eat this. Any bright
have a
ideas at home, let us know what you can do. Show us what you've done, what you've made,
There
and
you are.
let's share some very cool ideas. I'm going to have a bite of my little... Wow, it's so amazing. And it's on my wrist right there. You don't even have to, you know. It's amazing. Thank you so much, Sam.
Pleasure,
Really appreciate
thank
it,
you.
girls.
And please come to our Kids Market Day on Saturday. We have a Spring Kids Market Day at the Scouts Hall in Oranjezicht.
Oh, yes.
And you can get all the details on the website, kidsdayco.co.za.
Fantastic stuff. All right, Ewan, I think I've saved this one especially for you, dude. It matches your colors. Would you like it? Yes? Ewan? Popular.